Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna tell you and I'm gonna teach you how to install this script, Premium URL Shortener, like shorten bio, page and QR codes without license code. All right. So you don't need to pay this $45 so to install the script. So it's gonna be for free and without license key needed. Okay. So here is it. I already installed it. So this is the landing page. All right. So I installed it without a license key. So I'm gonna tell you how to do it, you guys. Right. So here if you paste for example a past URL, I'm gonna put this example shorten, so you will get the shorten URL and this is the landing page, so you can browse solutions blogs here, or blogs here are the resources. Okay, let me go through the login so you can see the admin page. So here Gmail at, so here 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so let's log into the admin. So here is the admin, so the dashboard and the bio pages, QR codes, statistics, and here my channels. Okay, so there is all those functionalities, so you can work on that. So you will find all of these things. This script is powerful, and I'm gonna tell you guys how to install it without a license key needed, right? So here for accounts registration for the users, so if he wants to register on the account and if he wants to do or to shorten URL, so here is the website, guys. So okay, so here the user will put the links and he could shorten the links. Okay, so let me tell you how to install this script, because this script that gives me this website, right? So let me show you guys how to install this script without a license key needed and for free. So let's do it. So first of all, guys, go to this website, autoscripthub.com. So I'm gonna leave the link below of this video on the description. So first, just put here premium on the search bar, premium. Okay, and click on that search, and you will get the product. Just click on that. All right, here is the script. Okay, so you can download it without license key neither, right? So here you can just pay $5 and you can install it. So this is a video, I'm gonna tell you how to install it step by step. Okay, so just click on buy now, and instead of paying $45, okay, and with license key, and you can have other problems of license, and here there is some extend support. So without support or anything, so you're gonna just pay $5 and that's it. So proceed to checkout. Perfect. Now just put here if you are a customer, or if you are not a customer, just put any email. Hey, just I'm gonna say for example okay, let me see premium. I'm gonna say premium email at gmail.com. Okay, just put anything here and put any password. Okay, put any password and check out with PayPal. Okay, now I'm gonna try to pay the price. Okay, and complete purchase. Great. After you paid 515 USD, this 15 is just for tax. So I'm gonna return to the merchant. Great. Now the payment transaction was successful. So the AutoScript Hub will create for you like an account. So just go to this account. Okay. Click on purchase. So go to your purchases. Here you're gonna find the items that you bought, right? So now let me try to. So if you want to download the invoice, click on this. So you're gonna download the invoice of buying. Here, if you want to download the item, click on that. So you're gonna click on that and download. Click on this button, download. All right, then you're gonna try to download this zip code, this zip file, right? Premium.zip. So you're gonna try to download this file. So just wait until this zip will be downloaded, and I'm gonna tell you guys how to upload this zip file into your server and extract it and run your system. Okay, let me try to do that. So I'm gonna do that after this file is gonna be downloaded. Okay, so hey guys, here we I download this file in this path. So after you extract it, you will have database and premium. Okay, so here, if you go into this, you will have here, if you go to this file, you will have the app.zip and the database.sql. So just if you want to get those two files, just extract, click on extract here, and you will get those two files, right? So let me show you now how to upload those files into your server, so you're gonna start your website. Okay, so let's do it. So guys, here I'm gonna use Hostinger to upload the script. Okay, so let me tell you guys that I will use this domain name ajitscan.com to upload those files. Okay, so let me go to the domain name first. So here you find 403 forbidden, so that means that this website is not working, right? So there's nothing, because in on the server of this domain name there's nothing on file manager and for databases. So we're gonna try to upload file manager files on file manager, and we're gonna try to upload the database into the databases, right? So let me go to file manager first, then I'm gonna try to upload the files, right? Okay, go to public HTML. By the way, if you don't have Hostinger account, so I'm gonna put the link below of this video, so you can try to. So first you're gonna help me, and the second thing that you're gonna get 25%, so you can get a free domain name and with a hosting. Okay, so let me try to go to file manager. Like I said before, here you have to upload the app.zip. If you don't know how to do that, just click on upload file and go to and click of this file extracted. So you already extracted this file from premium file, so just click on that and open it. So here is it. You're gonna it's gonna be uploaded. So just click on right click and click on extract. Okay, write anything here, just anything, just extract it. Great, go into this folder, select all. All right, just click like this. Okay, I'm gonna tell you how to do that. Okay, HTML. Okay, just click, all right, and click Control A if you want to select all. All right, then what you should do is to move all those folders and files, okay, to be inside the public HTML. Right now it's currently navigating on files/public HTML, so all those folders and files needs to be inside public HTML. Move that. Great, now we have those folders and files inside public HTML, as you can see here. Now just click on this folder and remove it, as you can see. Sorry. Now great, now that I have all folders and files inside public HTML, now we need to add the database. Okay, click on databases, create a database. Let me see premium. Just do whatever you want, so I'm gonna name it premium. And here I'm gonna name it premium. So I'm gonna put the password as bin123@. Just do any password you want, create that. Great, now what you should do, you have to enter phpMyAdmin. Click on that button. All right, so we're gonna try to upload the database into this, or we're gonna try to import it. Just click on import, choose file, click on this database that you extracted, click open. Okay, now click import. Great, you import the database. Now what you should do, we have to link this database into those folders. How to do it? Just copy this MySQL database. Okay, go into the config, click the config. Here you're gonna find define DB name, change it into the right one, and here select this user. Okay, copy and paste it here. All right, paste it in here, and here database password, so it's already been bin123@. Now just click on save. Perfect. Now we connected those folders into this database, okay, because the username of database it's this one, so we just copy and paste that into those folders so they can be connected each other. So now let's go to overview, just to click on this domain name to see if it is working, if it is giving us 403 forbidden, or it will give us the website. Just click on this. As you can see guys, it gave us the website, and let me just find out. Okay, as you can see guys, there's everything here. All right, this is the landing page, and let me go into login. Here I'm gonna try admin@gmail.com and 12345. Okay, and click login. Now as you can see guys, we have set up the premium, okay, the premium shortener URL with success. Okay, so as you can see guys, we everything is great, everything is nice. The script is uploaded and activated, so without a license key needed. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, and have a good day. So as I said before, all those links you're gonna find them on the description. Thank you so much, guys.